On the 11th of September 2024, a new draft bill was introduced in the UK's Parliament to increase legal protection for holders of crypto. The bill is sponsored by Lord Ponsonby, whose real name is Frederick Ponsonby, who's a member of the House of Lords and Labour Party. And essentially, cryptocurrencies, NFTs and carbon credits can be considered as personal property through this new bill, which they weren't previously. So by law, this would mean that if someone stole your crypto, for example, you should expect the same help and support as you would if other property was stolen from you, which in the case of crypto may well be worth significantly more than stealing a TV or something, for example. So this is positive, and some people are calling this very bullish for crypto in the UK. However, there is still a long way to go for the bill to become law, as you can see here, because it only had its first reading in the House of Lords on the 11th of September, with us still currently waiting for a date for the second reading to take place in the House of Lords. But in this video, we're going to take a look at this crypto or digital assets bill in a bit more detail, and I'll share with you which stablecoin has also been declared as property by law by the High Court. So please do like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you in future. Just a quick reminder, you can contact me if you're looking for crypto coaching. You can sign up for a free account with Coinly using the link in the description to this video, which is one of the best automated crypto tax platforms out there. If you're looking for more specific tax advice based on your personal circumstances, I've partnered with a leading crypto tax company in Miner, and I'll leave a link to contact them directly in the description to this video. And finally, I've included a link to Trezor's website in the description for anyone looking for one of the best hardware wallets or cold storage that's out there, with two new models released recently in the Trezor Safe 3 and Trezor Safe 5. Just a reminder that nothing contained here is financial advice, and let's jump straight in and take a look at the new UK crypto bill that's been introduced. So at first glance, this new digital asset or crypto bill is positive and bullish for crypto and crypto investors, as it provides legal protection by declaring it as legal property and those who own crypto having property rights. However, I don't personally think we should be getting carried away with this, as I'll explain now, because firstly, the bill as it currently stands is extremely small, so we will need to see more detail and progress here before we get too carried away, with what you can see here basically being the extent of that bill. And I've included a link to this in the description of the video if you want to check it out for yourself, but you don't really need to, given this is basically it. Also, we should remember that crypto is still not covered under the FSCS protection scheme, which is the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, meaning that it's not protected should a crypto firm fail, for example, with customer deposits normally being protected for up to £85,000, and with the FCA making crypto exchanges and any party looking to conduct financial promotions involving crypto in the UK adhere to its rules, such as by making people complete an assessment and questionnaire, and the company publish the risks of crypto on their website. Thirdly, I think we need to address the elephant in the room, which is the upcoming autumn budget, because a lot of people are expecting an increase in capital gains tax somehow on the 30th of October, based on what the Prime Minister and Chancellor have been saying, with this headline coming from the 21st of September, with some economists suggesting increases in inheritance, pension, and capital gains taxes, with Rachel Reeves, the Chancellor, saying herself that she thinks they'll have to increase taxes in the autumn budget, refusing to confirm whether she'll increase other taxes, such as capital gains tax, which is obviously the big one for most cryptocurrency investors, and with the Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, admitting that the autumn budget will be painful. And I will be covering the potential outcomes of the autumn budget in a separate video, which will actually be the next video I'm going to release. I'll be looking at what this might mean if you invest in crypto in the UK and what you might be able to do about it. So this is certainly one to keep an eye out for, as there may be things that you will want to put in place now before the end of October when the autumn budget takes place. But even if we go back a bit, we've seen the Conservative government having already reduced the AEA, which is the annual exempt amount, from £12,300 in the 2022 to 2023 financial tax year to £6,000 in the 2023 to 24 tax year to now only £3,000 in the 2024 to 25 financial tax year, meaning that crypto investors are now paying capital gains tax on over £9,000 more than they were a few years ago. So any more tax due on your crypto will understandably not go down too well. However, if we come back to this new UK crypto bill, I think it's fair to say there are some potential benefits of it, because firstly, it means that the government is beginning to take the crypto industry more seriously now, and maybe this is just the start and other positive changes will follow, such as stablecoin regulation, for example, that the Conservative government failed to implement before the election. Some people are also saying that this could now pave the way to more large-scale centralised crypto loans in the UK, given that it's now recognised as property, with there possibly being large financial institutions that would offer a complete custody service for Bitcoin and crypto, as we're already seeing with some Swiss banks, and more recently news of a large bank in the United States, BNY Mellon. There are obvious downsides to this if you're into DeFi and more permissionless-based financial services, which is why a lot of us got into crypto in the first place. But this could bring in more adoption from institutional investors in the UK and help to further legitimise the space as part of the UK economy. I think we can take this a step further as well, because this could therefore be the starting point for ISAs, pensions, etc. to become involved with cryptocurrency investment. So you might be able to take advantage of some of the tax benefits with these potentially in the future, which you can't now. And if we come back to the idea of personal property rights, this new crypto law could help when reporting an NV or negligible value claim if you've lost your crypto, so lost wallets, seed phrases, had your crypto stolen, etc., which is a bit of a grey area currently. And finally in this video, as promised right at the beginning, we learnt on the 12th of September that England and Wales's High Court has ruled that Tether's USDT, the largest stablecoin by market cap size, is property by law, and therefore holders of USDT have property rights over this asset. This was ruled as part of a wider court case between an individual who's the claimant and a number of defendants, including Binance actually. And this is an 88-page ruling that I've included a link to in the description of this video if you want to check it out at the end. But within this, the judge did confirm that USDT is legally seen as property. But that ends this video looking at the new UK crypto bill that's been introduced. And as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below about it. My thoughts and concerns are currently surrounding the autumn budget in the UK and what this could mean for UK crypto investors. And as mentioned previously, I will be releasing a video on this specifically this week, so it's certainly one not to miss. If you are interested in more of a tailored approach to your crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description where you can message me and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. There are also links to Coinly, Trezor, and to contact Miner in the description of this video also, as I mentioned at the start of the video. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.